There are a number of very good books on learning how to learn. Let me say first that unfortunately, learning how to learn is not generally taught, nor is reading beyond elementary school, and that we as humans have relatively poor feedback mechanisms to tell how well we are learning. That is, you don't know what you don't know. We think we may have learned something. Well, we are often mistaken. So with that, my first recommendation is Barbara Oakley's book, Mind for Numbers. It's an excellent introduction to the subject. It is somewhat geared to STEM fields in college, but it's quite useful in other disciplines and would be useful in high school for all academic subjects. Still very good, but a cut below that is How We Learn by Carey. Make It Stick is also pretty good. For non-academic subjects, I recommend Waitzkin's Art of Learning and The Little Book of Talent by Daniel Coyle. Waitzkin was both a Grand Master of chess and a martial arts champion. I'd also recommend that you read The 5 Elements of Effective Thinking by Berger and Starbird, two math professors who wanted to help their students learn better, but generalize their concepts to all fields. It's more about incorporating and using new knowledge, which is the next step after learning. The last book that I'm going to recommend on this video is Breakthrough Rapid Reading, and it's by Peter Comp. He is a former National Director of Education for Evelyn Wood Reading Dynamics, and he presents a do-it-yourself program for increasing your reading speed and boosting your comprehension. I'd like to thank you for watching. You will find links to all of these books in the description. They are all available on Amazon. Here's to your good luck in helping you to learn better. Thanks a lot.